Hello, it's really good to have you with us on ERi-TV. This is English news broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. First, the top stars. Athlete Nahom Ermes, winner of Asmara Marathon 2023. Land for construction of residential houses allotted. 9 killed, 10 wounded in Somalia hotel siege. Wildfire spread in Canada's British Columbia as Quebec stabilizes. Eritrean athlete Nahom Ermes became the winner of the Asmara Marathon 2023 that was held today, 11th June. At the marathon, in which athletes from 6 countries took part, including athletes from Eritrea, Ethiopia, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and South Sudan, athlete Nahom became gold medalist, finishing the race in 2 hours, 14 minutes, and 21 seconds. Eritrean Olympian athlete Kibrom ገብረእግዚአብሔር also became winner of the bronze medal, taking the 3rd place. Athlete Nahom, Ben, and Kibrom were provided $6,000, $4,000, and $2,000 respectively. In the females 10-kilometer race, Eritrean Olympian athlete Rahel Daniel became winner of the gold medal, winning the 1st place, while Eritrean Olympian athlete Nazrit Waldu and Dolshi Tesfu became winners of the silver and bronze medals respectively. The race was broadcast live by the Eritrean television and radio Dint Hafash. The event also included mass sport in which thousands of people took part. Land for construction of residential houses has been allotted to 253 citizens in Laqen and Gergera Dubarba subzone. Speaking at the occasion of the land allotment that was carried out on 8th and 9th June, Mr. Mahari Tekhle, head of the Ministry of Land, Water and Environment in the subzone, said that the beneficiaries were 129 citizens in Laqen, including 27 females, and 124 citizens in Gergera, including 29 females. At the event, Mr. Mahari called on the beneficiary citizens to use the land they were provided in construction of residential, follow the guidelines issues regarding the application of land allotment for construction of residential houses. International news follows after a short break. Stay tuned. Police in Somalia say 9 people, including 3 soldiers, were killed in Friday night's extremist attack on the beachside hotel in the capital, Mogadishu. The police statement said 10 other people were wounded, while 84 people were rescued from the hours-long assault that ended early Saturday morning. Al-Qaeda's East Africa affiliate, Al-Shabaab, claimed responsibility for the attack. The Somalia-based extremist group is known for carrying out attacks on hotels and other high-profile locations in Mogadishu, usually starting with a suicide bombing. Witnesses had told the Associated Press that some people were trapped inside the Pearl Beach Hotel, which is popular with government officials. The Lido Beach area is one of Mogadishu's most popular. Abdul Qadir Adam, the director of Amin Ambulance Service, said that what occurred the previous night was quite tragic, as it occurred in an unexpected setting and at unexpected time. Wildfires spread in the western Canadian province of British Columbia on Friday, while hundreds of fires continued to burn on the other side of the country in Quebec, sending wildfire smoke billowing across North America cities. Around 2,500 people were told to evacuate the community of Tumbler Ridge in northeast British Columbia on Thursday afternoon. Officials also expanded evacuation orders for the Donny Creek fire, the second largest record in the province in the Peace River region. Allies around the world have promised to increase their help to Canada in its fight against hundreds of blazes that have swept through the country in its worst ever start to wildfire season. Forest fires that have gathered strength over the last month have forced tens of thousands of people from their home and sent a smoky haze billowing over a large swath of the United States. Honduras President Xiomara Castro formally requested the country's admission to the BRICS-led New Development Bank in a meeting with the bank's president Dilma Rousseff, Castro's office said in a tweet late Friday. Castro is currently on a 6-day official visit to China. Headquartered in Shanghai, the New Development Bank was set up in 2015 by Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, collectively known as the BRICS countries. Castro's trip to the world's second biggest economy stemmed from an invitation from the Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping, Honduras state media outlet wrote in a story published earlier on Monday. Honduras and China launched diplomatic relations after Castro cut ties with Taiwan to bid for more investment and jobs from the much larger Chinese economy. Last month, Rihanna announced that both sides would soon begin trade talks, with coffee said to be the first Honduras export to the massive Chinese consumer market. Russia's foreign ministry said on Friday that it had summoned the Japanese ambassador over Tokyo's decision to supply military equipment to Ukraine. Japan, which has backed Western sanctions against its longtime antagonist in East Asia in response to Moscow's military campaign in Ukraine, last month promised Ukraine around 100 military-use vehicles such as trucks, having previously given protective equipment such as helmets and bulletproof vests. However, Moscow said Tokyo was supplying armored vehicles as well as all-terrain vehicles. The Japanese side was told that this step would lead to an escalation of hostilities and a further increase in the number of human casualties of the Kyiv regime. The ministry said in a statement, Japan's export rules ban its companies from selling lethal items overseas. And now we have a quick review of the top stories. Athlete Nahom Ermas winner of Asmara Marathon 2023. Land for construction of residential houses allotted. 9 people killed, 10 wounded in Somalia hotel siege. Wildfire spread in Canada's British Columbia as Quebec stabilizes. It was me, Salim Berhana, with the news for tonight. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.